What's up, Friend Media friends? I hope you're all doing well today. In today's tutorial, I want to showcase to you all how to add videos from YouTube and from Vimeo into the Friend Media Dashboard and then into your playlists. So it's relatively simple. The first step, as always, is to hit this plus button right here. Then we'll start with YouTube. So we'll find the YouTube icon first. Click on that. Then you open a new tab, find the YouTube video we want. So we'll take this one where Friend Media is featured in Modern Aesthetics with Dr. Stephen Diane. We'll copy that link, we'll paste it, and then we'll hit enter. Select the video there, and you simply drag and drop it. And there you go. It's relatively simple. And it's the same for Vimeo. However, instead of the YouTube icon, we'll click the Vimeo icon, find the video we want on Vimeo. So right here, we'll take this little Friend Media promo animation, copy that link, paste it, hit enter, select it, and I'll drag and drop it into playlist number 2. We'll drag that into zone run right here, and it should appear right there in the bottom. It's that simple. So that pretty much concludes this tutorial, ladies and gentlemen. As always, thank you all for watching.